and welcome to another episode. Today we've got a Skylander giant, as you can see. Now he's not a giant. He's still from Skylanders Giants. He's not a new version. He comes from Skylanders Surprise Adventure originally, and we're going to see what he looks like today. So, that Skylander giant, that Skylander giant is Terrafin. So Terrafin's his differences are he's got some some things that he puts on his knuckles, but they don't appear when you put them on Skylanders Surprise Adventure, but they probably do when you put them on Skylanders Giants, the real game, because I'll be using him on Skylanders Surprise Adventure today. And he's got an orange bottom, which is different from the other ones, Skylanders Surprise Adventure, which have green bottoms, and so that's different. And so this is what his packaging would have looked like. And so it says Terrafin, it's feeding time, and he's from Earth. If you don't know what element he's from, so he's Series 2, and then the element is Terrafin, Flash Swing, Bash, and Prison Break, which also includes a light core Prison Break. So here he is with his card. And he's got some details which you can get if you've got him. And then he's got a sticker, he's got a thing you can scan, and then he's got this little picture of him here which you can also stick. All of that you can take out except this. So finally let's give him a try. So if I can turn it back on. Okay, then get closer for you to see. So he is like a shark, so he looks quite strong there. So his powers are he can do this. So I really like that. And then you can do this, and then you press A, and he'll slam, if you can see that. So his video, if you really see that, is here. Okay. So this is meant to be him turning into a proper giant. Right, so they think the portal thinks that it's from Skylanders Surprise Adventure, but actually it's from Skylanders Giant. So those things he puts on his knuckles haven't appeared. And let's see what Quigley says when we talk to him. So find him.
Didn't you forget something? Like the ocean?
Okay, so, and his heroic challenge, if you're wanting to see that, go to speak to Kelly.
Back for more training, eh? Well, step right up then.
I will say yes. So let's find his then. So it's Spawner Cave, and it says take out 100 Trumpies by finding the best spawners. Reward critical hit. So that's all for now, and Terrafin. So this is my first Skylander Giant, so there should be more later. There should be more later on. So yeah, that's it. So bye.